Hey guys, it's Peter.
And Oni.
Together we are
Two Hungry Diners.
Well guys, wherever you are, we hope you are healthy and safe.
And today is a special video for you guys because this video is in collaboration with Sataylicious.
Yes, Sataylicious, a food company here based in Melbourne, and they produce this beautiful and amazing range of satay.
Yeah.
They have different flavors here.
Yes.
They also have different type of protein, the chicken and beef.
Yes.
And also they produce this beautiful chicken ribs as well.
Yeah, you can easily find their range in your nearest Asian supermarket. And yet, usually you find it in a frozen section.
So the frozen one in a black pack like this, but they also have like kind of like a fresher range as well, satay, where they just vacuum seal this satay as well instead of frozen. So this is to cater different markets in different regions in Melbourne basically. The fresh one obviously will have like a shorter lifespan, but the frozen one will have a longer lifespan. And today we're gonna show you guys this beautiful 3 different amazing flavor of the chicken satay. The first one is the original chicken satay. The next one is the marinated honey soy and lemongrass flavor. And they also have the spicy chicken tandoori here, which is another amazing flavor as well.
Basically, it's up to your creativity. You can make anything you like, but today we're going to show you 3 different dishes. Of course, the first one we have to show you how to make the original Indonesian satay.
And because these products are frozen right now, we are going to get them defrosted first.
Yes.
And we're gonna cook them in a griddle pan.
Yeah.
We'll come back in a second. Satay has been defrosted and yeah, they are ready to be cooked. We're using this griddle pan. I'm gonna wait for this pan until it's a little bit hot, and once I put the satay, I wanna hear the sizzle sound. Just enough to cover the plate. That's exactly the sound I wanna hear when cooking this satay. Within a few seconds, guys, I can already smell the amazing aroma from these satays. Okay, I think everything is ready. I've got the plate here, I've got the peanut sauce from Sataylicious as well. This is the non-spicy peanut satay sauce. And yeah, let's make this Indonesian style chicken satay. I'm gonna grab a couple of the rice cake here. I'll put it there. Satay here. So I'm gonna turn it out a little bit. Smells amazing, can't wait. Peanut sauce now on top of the satay. It also smells amazing. We prepare like an Indonesian style pickle. Which consists of the like red onion, cucumber, and also the carrot. You like kind of marinate it inside of like vinegar and also a little bit of sugar to give it a little bit of sweetness. I think that's enough. You need like the fried onion. Another secret weapon from Indonesia, which is the sweet soy sauce. Well guys, I think it looks amazing and it smells amazing. I wish you guys can smell it as well. What do you think, guys? Okay, let's taste this satay.
Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna grab the, I think, chicken. I'm gonna try the chicken. And the achar, which is the pickle. Oh, that achar makes a huge difference. Wow.
What do you think about the satay?
Really tasty. I'm gonna dip the ketupat to the sauce. So I get more sauce. The sauce.
The satay is like really tender and juicy, and like the flavor is like really comes through inside of the meat, right? And it smells amazing. I really wish you guys can taste it as well. But wow, that was tasty, awesome.
Mind blowing. I love it. It's been a while. This tastes really authentic. I love it. You guys have to try it. Sataylicious. You nail the flavor.
Let's cook the rest of the satay, I think, and we're gonna show you guys different dishes as well.
Cool.
Let's go. Okay, let's cook this honey soy lemongrass and also the chicken tandoori satay. Same method. I'm gonna use the griddle pan. Yeah, for the honey soy lemongrass, we think it would be perfect if we do it like a Vietnamese style. You know, like the san chai bao Vietnamese dish, but in replacement of the chicken meat, we're gonna use this chicken satay instead. And for the tandoori style or tandoori flavor, we're gonna do like a wrap with a little bit of tzatziki sauce, and yeah, I think it's gonna be perfect as well. I think the honey soy lemongrass satay has been cooked completely, and I really love the flavor, like the smell of it, the aroma. Really like the lemongrass flavor is really coming through, and we have prepared this kind of like, as I mentioned before, like san chai bao Vietnamese dish. So we have the lettuce, coriander, we have also the bean sprout, a little bit of carrot, slice of cucumber as well, and this one is not for san chai bao, but because we thought you can like get creative really with it. So we have this like vermicelli rice noodle as well, and we prepared the Vietnamese dressing sauce, spicy one, the non-spicy one, and of course peanut. Like that. I think it looks amazing. What do you think, guys? It looks good, right? For the tandoori satay, we already mentioned before, we're gonna prepare like a kind of like a wrap, Middle Eastern kind of wrap as well. We have this pita bread here being heated up as well, and we have the tzatziki dip here. You can get it from the supermarket as well. And for the filling of the wrap, we prepare some basic one here. We have the slice of cucumber, we have the tomatoes, and also the red onion. I'm just gonna take it out a little bit like that. And yeah, we are going to have a feast, I think. I can't really wait to show you guys how we prepare all these different dishes as well. I'm gonna grab the lettuce as the base, the carrot, like a little bit of the bean sprout as well, maybe a little bit of vermicelli. It's not really like a traditional san chai bao. And then let's grab the chicken satay. Voila, looks good. Get the little bit of the sauce, the Vietnamese dressing sauce. It's really tasty. The chicken is juicy. You can taste the lemongrass as well. Now, let's quickly prepare this kind of like a tandoori style wrap. The satay meat in here. And I grab like some tomatoes as well in here. Onions. And cucumber as well. I'm gonna grab the tzatziki sauce in here. Wrap it, and you can do something like that. Yeah, it looks good, I think. honestly, guys, I really like this Vietnamese idea because it's such a like a party pleaser. Is that crowd pleaser? Crowd pleaser. Yeah, I mean, you grab a couple satays and you can do like your friend, you know, kind of like assemble their own dish and they can put whatever they like in here.
I'm mixing the chicken and beef together.
Oh, I forgot the coriander, I forgot the peanut, I forgot everything basically.
Yeah, forgot everything. Sauce.
What do you think?
Amazing! So good! So amazing!
The honey soy looks good, yeah?
Yep.
Do you agree?
Yep, I love it. I thought that the Indonesian chicken satay version is my favorite, but when I tasted it, oh, this is also really good. Oh my god! And I can't wait to taste the third one, which is the tandoori style.
Just a little tip here, guys. If you grill the honey soy lemongrass, you gotta watch your grill pan because it's sweeter. It can burn like quite quickly, so you gotta watch that pan as well. The tandoori style chicken was a little bit spicy. Yeah, it's a nice kick, I would say. It's not too spicy at all, but it has like a little bit of punch and kick as well.
I wanna get a little bit of chicken. Wow, this is also really good.
Yeah.
I think Sataylicious is it's up there, the quality. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm so happy.
Well, they did mention that they also supply to like some catering as well, some restaurant, and yeah, I mean the quality. You can't really doubt the quality. I think the quality is quite amazing as well.
Yep. I'm still amazed with the original chicken satay. Oh, that satay sauce. Oh my god, I love it.
Well guys, I think that's it from us. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're looking for this Sataylicious product, make sure you check the description box below. We're gonna put everything, all the infos there, where you can get it, how much is the price and things like that, you know. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. We hope you guys are safe and healthy as well, wherever you are. This is a great idea for your everyday meal, especially in this home isolation. You don't have to prepare anything. Basically, it's so perfect.
Yes.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hopefully we can get out anytime soon. The restriction will be lifted out. And yeah, as always,
Stay foolish.
stay hungry. Bye.